Hey, my adorable friends, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today, we bring to you a brand new challenge, 6 Disney songs each decade, and you have to delete one with only 5 seconds each song. Woo-hoo-hoo, ready or not, here we come. First up, here you all go with the songs.
All have to slave away for that good-for-nothing John. Incredible as
Nobody beat us, try us, and eat us in fricassee.
One endless diamond sky, a whole new world.
Don't you dare.
Les amoureux sont comme le bon vin.
I'm rotten to the core, rotten to the core. I'm rotten to the core. Rescue Ranger.
Next one is here. This is a tough one. Can you decide?
For there is something about the beat you cling to, not the type of song you sing to.
The world seems to know a real star by the glow. You're a star.
Song as old as rhyme, beauty and
We're all in this together. Once we know that. Let it go, when I ride.
I'm a rebel, I'm a menace, I'm a one-girl riot. Yeah.
Up next, can you delete one from the rest?
Neither one of you sees your natural boundaries. Life one.
Got a friend in me. You got a
I'd live in a penthouse in a room with a view.
No one knows how deep it goes. This is the place to be. Na 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 na.
Hold up a minute. Try to figure the odd one out of this. Oh yeah, you've nailed it. All of these are bangers. I couldn't choose if I were you.
He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh, willy nilly silly oh.
Everything is not what it seems when you can get all you want it is. So I'll wait up, or maybe 2 or 3. I'll add it goodbye.
Here comes another one. I bet you love this.
It's like a movie. It's a B-movie.
Feel the ground. We'll get you up. We'll never stop. This is our hometown.
Can you spot the 3 differences between these two? Can you handle this one?
Think of all the joy you'll find when you leave the world behind. And be Merry, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry Christmas.
Far longer than forever.
Far longer than
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
moving along. How about this one? Can you delete a song?
To no more rat race.
Oh boy.
To order and calm instead.
Ah, great.
Oh, with pride, trust my recipe for instant bride. You'll bring up.
So, if you think you care to kick some berry air, you know that.
Shining light every day.
Would you delete all the Mickey Mouse movies and shows? Or rather subscribe to Quiz Slice? Whoa! Here's another tough one. Can you crack the code and delete one?
All my life I wonder how it feels to pass a day not above them.
Everywhere you go, you're so. Roller coaster ride.
There's no place I'd rather be.
Okay, now, let's keep it rolling. Try your best with this one.
When she loved me.
We got your back, you know we're in it for the long haul. Keep in tow, you know we got you.
It's a heavy lift with a gift so humbling. Always let the boy in the family fumbling.
All right, next puzzle. Can you find the correct eyes for Cinderella here? You got it, buddy. Here comes another one. Delete one, shall we?
Painting the roses red. Don't tell the queen what you have seen, or say that's what we said.
I can get it right if the sun can.
From this day on, now and forever.
There's no place I'd rather be. On Golden Sands.
Hot diggity dog. It's a brand new day. What you waiting for?
I was missing out on every moment. You'll be one and baby, I'll be two.
Oof, I think this might be easy for y'all.
As happy as can be, because I know that with it
Every boulevard is a miracle mile. You'll take the time.
Down this road, I know someone's waiting.
And made Eldorado, the magnificent.
Bow chicka bow wow.
That's what my baby says.
Bow bow bow.
And my heart starts pumping.
Life could be so simple. Push my head up.
Remember the position of all characters. Can you find joy within these 8 characters? Oh my God, you're incredible! Another phenomenal group. I would just pass if I were you.
The night will weave its magic spell.
Love, it seems, made flying dreams.
S-C-U-E, Rescue Aid Society.
If it's me you need to turn to, we'll get
time for another one. Almost all the classics are here.
What's so amazing that keeps us stargazing every now and again? And when we're alone,
As those buccaneers drown their sins in rum, the devil himself. It's our house now. Little party. Join the fun with no regrets.
I will fly, chase the wind and touch the sky.
Say it's alright.
Up next, any idea which one you're gonna pick?
But it seems that little toot simply didn't give a hoot.
What are the chances I can find a better? Every season brings a reason to be cheerful.
Answer to your hurt, oh moment.
There's something about the sunshine, baby. Look up at the stars to guide me and throw caution.
Quick question right here. Do you like the classical era of Disney? Don't forget to comment below your answer. And that's the wrap of this whole challenge. Thanks for quizzing with us on Quiz Slice. I'm always glad that you are here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Well, until next one, Quiz Slice out.